Where the bright lights of Las Vegas give way to the tall pines of Mount Charleston, you will find Skye Canyon. Skye Canyon has a collection of neighborhoods with a variety of floor plans, from one-story ranch-style homes to two-story homes for growing families. As you might expect from a community accustomed to looking up to Mount Charleston, Skye Canyon enjoys its relative seclusion and outdoor lifestyle. Eagle Canyon Park is nearly always in use thanks to its tot lot, sports field, and basketball court, along with picnic areas and open grassy areas to run and play. Children just might play outside more in Skye Canyon. Its higher elevation makes for cooler temperatures than the valley below, and with the pine-fed breezes meandering through the streets, the air seems somehow cleaner. Skye Center at Skye Canyon Park is the center of the community. The 8,000 square foot community center is rustic yet contemporary. It's the perfect place for both indoor and outdoor gatherings. It boasts its own bistro with indoor and outdoor seating, along with a fitness center and juice bar. The fitness center has some of the most modern equipment and a calendar full of classes for both adults and children. Skye Canyon is just minutes from Kyle Canyon Road, with quick and easy access to Mount Charleston, and only moments from Interstate 95, the community's gateway to Las Vegas.